traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving tomorrow and what are the key levels that we need to keep in mind. Remember, whatever had happened today, like I told you in the morning, that the index is sideways. So actually, Nifty stayed under 50 points today. And surprisingly, BankNifty stayed under 200 points today. So our levels for the upside did not trigger over here in Bank Nifty. However, here in Nifty, the same trend line is the thing that is in fashion. So let us go ahead, try to understand and see what are the levels that we need to keep in mind for tomorrow. Now, like I said on my previous video, I won't be interested in trading the index for the next couple of days until there is a confirmed breakout. So as we can see, the only action is happening over here in Nifty, and it is gapping up or gapping down because of the global cues. Now, in terms of the local cues, market does not know where it has to go. But however, if it takes out today's high, there is highly likely a possibility that it can touch to 15,058 tomorrow. And if the trend line breaks, I would tell you to short only below 14,864 for a target over here. That would be an easy 90 points at 14,768. So please keep that in mind. And this is going to be a critical level for tomorrow. And in terms of Bank Nifty, now Bank Nifty is also on the same lines. This 178 points are something that I'm not going to take. But if Bank Nifty sustains one 5-minute candle above 33,450, then we can look for 34,000 as a target. And over here, there is a particular trend line that is being forming. So if there is a cut in the trend line, the only level that would be very important for us is that we need Bank Nifty to break 33,000, and then we can open our shorts over here at the bottom. Now, if nothing goes anywhere, I think will most likely expire here. So it might be an option seller's week. This week is short and there are only 2 days left for the market to expire. So until then, please reduce your quantity drastically and trade if you must, or don't trade if you don't want to. So this is the information that I had to give. So I hope you like my levels. And if there are any questions, you can put it on a comment section, or you can join our free Telegram channel that's been listed below. If you want to live trade, take ideas like the way how we doubled our capital in Jindal Steel, then you can join our live trading forum at www.rltrgroup.com. Thank you so much for your time. Today was a very short video because market did nothing, so is our analysis. So we'll see what would be interesting tomorrow. Jai Hind, take care, stay safe. Goodbye.